Bullish Tezos cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $4.41 and $8.33 by 2030. Market investigators expect XTZ could reach $3.43 by 2025. Bearish Tezos market cost expectation for 2023 is 78 cents. Tezos presentation. Until now, the worth of the Tezos cryptographic money token, XTZ, has come around more than 69%. It has diminished by over 84% since the symbolic's pinnacle. The drop in XTZ's cost has been welcomed on by the unpredictability and vulnerability that have been made in both the conventional financial exchange and the cryptographic money markets because of a few macroeconomic reasons. Worldwide unpredictability has been for the most part impacted by the continuous Russia-Ukraine struggle, record high expansion welcomed on by rising fuel and food costs, and the U.S. central bank's sooner than anticipated fixing of money-related strategy to direct the higher purchaser costs. What is the drawn-out viewpoint at the cost of the XTZ token? In this piece, we'll look all the more carefully at the blockchain and cost gauges for Tezos. What precisely is a Tezos token? Tezos is an open-source stage upheld by validators, scholastics, and developers from everywhere in the world. It expects to eliminate huge hindrances to the reception of blockchain for resources and applications. The Tezos stage depends on shrewd agreements. The local coin of the Tezos blockchain is called XTZ. It is utilized to interface with decentralized applications, pay expenses, defend the organization through marking, and give a basic bookkeeping unit. The underlying coin offering of Tezos was directed in mid-2017. Throughout 2 weeks, nearly $232 million in Bitcoin and Ethereum were raised, well surpassing the task's $20 million objective. Research engineer Arthur Breitman, who previously worked for Google X and the business Waymo, was the person who initially proposed the Tezos blockchain. In September 2014, Breitman distributed a white paper with additional subtleties and determinations on the Tezos project. He guaranteed that while Tezos offered an on-chain administration approach, Bitcoin's plan was imperfect and didn't give an exceptionally comprehensive administration process to keep the organization from forking. This would allow token holders to decide on proposed convention alterations. Tezos current cost. Tezos is as of now worth 98 cents USD. XTZ has moved 2.85% as of now with an exchanging volume of $28,792,720. Tezos is as of now positioned 49 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $905,089,270 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Tezos to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Tezos value forecasts. Financial backers ought to remember the huge instability of the cryptographic money industry while taking a gander at Tezos cost projections. Conjectures are dependent upon mistakes since they depend on presumptions made by investigators in view of earlier execution. The decision to put resources into the Tezos coin is completely dependent upon you. Prior to going with venture choices, consistently think about a symbolic's organization arrangements, and basics. Similarly, never risk effective financial planning supports that you can't stand to lose. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Tezos market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Tezos value expectation 2023. Tezos, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The XTZ cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $1.47. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.37 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. XTZ is supposed to have a base worth of $1.18. Tezos value expectation 2024. In 2024, Tezos XTZ cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of XTZ will before long outperform $2.45. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the XTZ's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, XTZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.96 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.16. Tezos value forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $3.43 and XTZ might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. XTZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.14 and a low of $2.94 in 2025. Tezos Value Forecast 2026. In the event that Tezos effectively supports market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the XTZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, XTZ will be green in 2026. The XTZ is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $4.41, with a base cost of $3.92 and a typical cost of $4.12. Tezos Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the XTZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.10 by 2027, with a base cost of $4.90 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, XTZ has a greatest value worth of $5.39. Tezos Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.08. On the off chance that XTZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $6.37. Neglecting to assemble the help XTZ needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $5.88. Tezos Value Forecast 2029. While XTZ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to Rush Association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $6.86 and a yearly cost close above $7.35 in 2029. Tezos Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Tezos will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $7.84 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $8.33, averaging out at $8.04. Tezos Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme XTZ cost in 2031 is projected to be $9.60 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $9.21. And Tezos may not at present be the most notable digital money, but rather financial backers' revenue in the coin has expanded as of late. The blockchain structure can't be affected by legislative issues or financial matters, and the task the board can't pursue free choices. Considering everything, Tezos gives off an impression of being very engaging, regardless of whether comparable characteristics are available in numerous other digital money projects. The task members really discuss all updates. The Tezos digital currency has a ton of commitment, and experts anticipate it will ultimately track down a situation in an arrangement of speculations for long-haul stockpiling.